Hey guys, this is Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your unusual option activity report for February 22nd, 2012. The first one I want to talk about yesterday was the earnings play in Dell. I was on Bloomberg TV saying Dell looks very strong and the only way to trade it is to be flat or long. I couldn't rationalize getting long Dell up 25% this year. I have not seen a Dell computer in years. I didn't even know they still made computers. I thought they went obsolete with Gateway as well. So the chart looks so strong. They've only had 4 bearish days all day. It's rallied from $15, so up 25% this year. I thought I'd bounce back a little bit, sell off. So what I do, I sold the April 17-16 put spread for 20 cents. The stock I thought was find a little bit of support at $17. It found support at $17, climbed back a little bit. I feel comfortable getting long Dell. Now I'll get long Dell at $16.80. I have a stop at $16, and also if it trades between $16 to $16.80, I can always write calls, means selling calls against my long stock on my position. First trade of the day, Epsell. July 2 calls, 25 cents. Stock was trading $1.68. When this was traded, the market on the screen was $20.30. I've now started doing, after I talked to my lawyer and got the approval on the disclaimer, I've been talking about my trades, and I put the trades in before I tweet them out. So I don't want to have anybody jump on board at different levels. I'm telling the levels, I'm putting them in the order book so people can get on my trades. It's at their own discretion of what level they want to put on their own trades. If I try to buy something for a quarter, I'd probably have an offer at 35 some of my calls. So I don't want someone to jump on board, pay 30, 35, and think I'm front running an order. I'm not front running orders. I am telling you where I'm putting my bids and offers in before I did it. When I bought these F-style calls, I said I'm bidding 25 cents. Then within 5 minutes, I got filled. I said I bought them for 25 cents. And I also disclosed that I sold them at 35. I was offering at 35. Sorry, I did not get filled. Next one, XRX. Customer bought 45,000 July 9 calls for 30 cents. I did not take this one on. I see a lot of two-way paper. We haven't hit $9 in a while. So a customer might be thinking it could pop above this to this 880 level. I didn't take this trade on about 45,000. That is an order, boys and girls, but I did not play it. Next one, MT. Customer sold 19,000 in the March 21 calls for $1.13. They've been buying MT calls for the last couple of days. This could be a closing position. MT trades a big position. I did not take these on once again. GCI. I actually didn't see this trade until it came across the tape. I probably would have traded something around it. Customer sold 2,000 of July 15 puts for $1.30. Stock was traded $15.51. It rallied from there. It closed at $15.61. It could be a volatility play. It's 14 times usual volume. I think the customer is willing to get long GCI, and the price would be $15 minus $1.30 would give you $13.70. So I'm saying I'm willing to get long GCI at $13.70. Is at $15.70. That would be about a 12% pullback. Last trade. CHTP. This is Chelsea Therapeutics. I've traded it before. It's a very, very hard one to trade. Big volume. These biotechs and these pharma companies, unless I see huge put sellers, I try not to trade them. Customer bought 10,000 of the March 5 calls. The stock was trading $2.50 for 42.5 cents. And I think he could have a short stock position on. I'm not positive, but I do not want to trade that one. Last one I want to look at that I've flagged for a while is Vivus. And this one that just came out in the news. Stock's up $9 and it's trading $20. We've flagged this one on the unusual option activity report, how it has the richest at the money vol versus historical. They came out with a drug announcement. Obviously, it was positive. Now I see the thing going across this tape and it's trading $20. So we flagged this one for you. This is what the unusual option activity report does. All this information is public information, but we compile all the information so you guys can see it. A lot of pros, hedge funds trade on this information. I trade. I've been a professional trader for over 10 years. I trade on unusual option activity. It's the same way as the order flow used to be in the pit. Customer comes in, they're selling puts in Apple. I want to get long. They're buying calls. I might want to get long. I look where the stock's trading. We use all these things, and I use at my discretion what positions I want to put on, what trades I want to get put on. But unusual option activity, in my own professional opinion, is the most accurate way to trade, and I have a proven track record over the last 10 years. This is Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Have a great night.